December has started. 2020 is finally going to end. And it's important that we bid a good goodbye to 2020. To bid 2020 a good goodbye and to have a good start for 2021, a fresh start, I have an awesome plan to do. And trust me, this is definitely going to help you. Let's get started. Let's write. No. I'm not telling you to write those normal New Year resolutions because we know we don't follow those. This is different. It's really different and it's worth doing. People are saying 2020 is cursed. It's the worst year ever. And so many more things. Let's analyze what actually happened. कुछ हुआ ही तो नहीं है? No. बहुत कुछ हुआ है. Literally बहुत कुछ हुआ है. COVID-19, there were gas leaks, there were attacks, people starved, people have lost their jobs, people have lost their near dear ones. Some have lost hopes too. People have undergone financial strains, stress, depression, loneliness, anxiety, ill health, and a lot of mental challenges. Let's write it down. And listen, whatever you write, have these pieces of paper with you always, because this year has taught us so many things. Write down all your feelings about this whole year. Write everything that you feel about this year. पहले ही निकाल लो सारी भड़ास, कोस लो इस साल को अच्छे से कि what actually happened in the whole year. Write a general view of this year. The second thing. Now write down what you personally have gone through this year. Maybe it could be loss of your job, loss of your near dear ones. It could be your failures, your downfalls. Write everything down. What you've personally gone through, your state of mind this year. What has it been like? Write it down. Write all those things that you felt. Whether you felt in a phase that you are undergoing loneliness, if you felt that it is very stressful, write everything. Step 3 is different. हमने बहुत कोस लिया इस साल को पहले की 2 चीज़ों में, अच्छे से कोस लिया. Now let's be thankful. Thankful for what? Thankful for what? COVID-19. We have seen nature in its purest forms ever that we might not be able to see in future. Nature got time to reboot itself. Let's be thankful for that. We've realized what actually our essentials are. We've realized what are the actual things that are important for us. Be thankful for that you had those things. You could fulfill yourselves with your essentials because there were people who did not have essentials. Be thankful for that. Lakhs of people slept hungry for days when we were cooking different delicious dishes and putting the captions stuck in lockdown. Be thankful for sleeping full. Be thankful that you had food when so many people starved for one piece of bread. Many of us had never spent so much time with our family that we actually spent in lockdown. And many people do not have any near dear ones. Be thankful for all those happy moments with your family. Be thankful for your family and friends. People don't get education. They have never gone to schools when we were criticizing our online classes. Let's be thankful for our teachers who were always there whenever we called up. Without showing their problems to us, they solved our problems. They were always there in the toughest times. Let's be thankful to them. Many people do not get time to look into themselves, to get enriched with some values, to develop themselves. We got so much time to explore ourselves. Let's be thankful for that we actually explored what we loved. Our hobbies, our passion. Be thankful that you are alive. Today morning, you got up. You've survived 2020. There are a lot of people who did not get up this morning. You woke up today. You have a new opportunity. Be thankful for getting another day of your life. This is a new day. It means a new opportunity. Don't let it go. Be thankful to that God, that universe, that positive energy, that power for making you realize all these things, and that today you're able to analyze these things. Be thankful for all these things. Be thankful for your life. Fourth thing. Now write down all those things that you feel you shouldn't have done. They could be your addictions, they could be your mistakes. Jot them down, write them down. Nobody is going to read them. Keep it to yourselves. But write down everything that you think you shouldn't have done, that only make you regret afterwards, that only cause you harm and no benefit. Write down why you failed. Write down what was your mistake. Write down a thing you did that was not right, that you shouldn't have done. And now that you've written these things down, don't ever regret them, because you've analyzed those things. You should not regret them. You can't change those things. You've analyzed here, and that means you will not repeat them again. Why? Because every day is a new opportunity. You woke up, a new opportunity to change that day, to change your life. We are giving ourselves a new start, a fresh start, to make our tomorrow a memorable and a cherishable past. We're working on it. Let's give ourselves another opportunity. New Year 2021 will be different. Let's promise that we will not repeat these things again, because our future is in our hands. Our actions define us. Fifth thing, work on your goals and your aspirations. 2020 gave us so much rest that we became restless to work. And now we're full of energy, so much energy, that we want to work. So let's use this energy to the fullest. Let's work on our dreams. Dreams that don't let us sleep. And listen, every day you get up, remember that this is a new opportunity. My future is going to be different, can be different if I make a change in my today. Remember that. These 5 to 10 pages you will write, have them for life with you, because these things will remind you how bad things you've actually crossed, how you've overcome all these things of 2020. It has taught us so many things. December has started, and let's start working on these things. Let's write down these 5 points in a very, very elaborative manner. Let's write down everything. And trust me, you will cherish these pieces of paper in future. It can change, literally change things. So take your time. Today is 7th December, and we have whole month left. Work in it. Work this December to make the whole life different. And every day you get up, remember that you woke up today. You have another opportunity. Your tomorrow can be different. Prove yourselves today. I wish you a very, very happy New Year in advance, in very advance. And let's make our next year, 2021, very productive, a very cheerful, a very happy year. And let's work out on these 5 to 10 pages. Please do it. If you've watched, if you've reached this part of the video, please do it. It's going to make a difference. Work up this December, and if you actually write things, just have a blur photograph and all. Click a photograph and put it in your Instagram and tag me by @studyandpraxis. I'll be so happy that my efforts made you do this and you actually felt it helpful. So yeah, that's it for this video. I am Ananta. You're watching Study and Praxis. Thank you. Namaste.